We'll guide you through how to make wiggle text in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because wiggle text adds dynamic motion that makes videos more engaging and visually appealing. Content creators, especially beginners, want simple ways to enhance titles, captions, or social media clips. This effect helps make videos look more professional without advanced skills, making it popular for YouTube, TikTok, and promotional content editing. To make wiggle text in Adobe Premiere Pro, first open the program by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer. Next, type Adobe Premiere in the search bar, and when the application appears in the results, click Open to launch it. After the program loads, click New Project to begin creating a new project. Enter any project name you prefer in the name field. Then click Browse to select the folder where your project will be saved. Choose your desired folder, click Select Folder, and once all settings are ready, click OK to enter the main workspace. Once inside the workspace, move your cursor to the Type tool and click it to activate text editing. Then click anywhere on the preview panel and type the sentence or text you want to animate. After your text appears, you can start adding the wiggle effect. To do this, click the icon with two arrows pointing to the right to open the Effects panel, then type Turbulent Displace in the search bar to locate the effect quickly. When you find it, click and hold the effect, then drag it directly onto your text layer in the timeline. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the settings. In the Turbulent Displace menu, change the amount value to 50 and the size value to 200 to create a visible distortion. After that, open the Evolution Options section and click on Random Seed to create a keyframe. Move forward on the timeline, then change the random seed value to 1000 to produce the wiggle animation over time. Finally, press Enter to render the effect so it plays smoothly, and then press the spacebar to preview the animation and make sure the wiggle effect is working properly from start to finish. Once satisfied, your wiggle text is complete and ready to be used in your video project.